It's one of the things that the Maverick been complaining about for the past several months. The rough and physical play in the Red Stripe Premier League. It is destroying the football and damaging the product. Well, listen to Cavalier FC's technical director, Rudolph Speed, speaking after Cavalier lost a recent battle against Humble Lion.
This is just a butcher league. The referee them just allow the player them to box the player and then kick them, do them anything, and just not call. And when they box them in front of him face, they just pretend like saying no see. This is really ridiculous. This league is just a butcher league. The biggest problem we have is nothing else but, players are just allowed to assault the players them right throughout the game and it don't make a difference. If it was just a football game, I think it would have been better. But it's just a rugby game. It's like everybody just a kick and a box and a punch. I mean, it's just disappointing to come and play with some kids who have talent and all them subjected to just box and kick and punch and everything and them feel good and win the game. Footballers struggle.
You hear that? You see the expression on Mr. Speed's face? The man said all of these physical assaults taking place right in front of the referees. And this is what we've been saying. The referees are the only ones in this process that can rescue the league from this scourge. And I put it to you that instead of looking to throw spectators out of the stands, the referees could do a better service to local football if they made a concerted effort to stamp overly aggressive and violent play out of the league. So well said, Mr. Speed. This is a butcher's league. The real. Preach it, Mr. Speed. Preach it. So you move fast. That's why your name Speed.